students, welcome back to Shakuntalam Classes, your exclusive channel for B.Ed studies. And today's video is going to be related to your English pedagogy exam. Today I will be discussing few important English teaching methods. But before starting the session, guys, if you haven't liked, shared or subscribed to Shakuntalam Classes, please do that. And to all the new viewers, welcome to Shakuntalam Classes, and today's agenda is going to be English teaching methods. So starting with the first method, which is prominently and is the most eminent method for English language. The first method is grammar translation method, known as traditional, classical and the oldest method, and was developed by Professor Karl Plotz. It emphasized more on reading and writing, and it was used to teach foreign languages such as Latin, German and French. The next one is direct method, developed by Maximilian Berlitz. This method is also known as phonetic, natural, reform and anti-grammatical method, and it was a reaction against the grammar translation method. In this method, teaching is done only in the target language, and speech and listening both are focused. The next one is bilingual method, and by the name you can understand that two languages are used in this method and is the most common method for teaching English. It is a reaction against the direct method. The next one is audiolingual method, developed by Charles Fries and was brought in World War II, and is also known as Army, oral and the oral method. The focus is on the spoken language and errors are corrected immediately. The next one is Dr. West method, and is the modern method for teaching English, developed by Michael Philip West, and it develops the habit of silent reading. It is the easiest way of learning English, and it lays emphasis on three important elements, that is reading, vocabulary and writing. The next one is communicative language teaching method. It is the recent, best and the new method for teaching English. In this method, language is learned through interaction and goal is to communicate in the target language. 6 activities done in the communicative language classroom are information gap, group gap, role play, interviews, interaction and simulation. The next one is total physical response. It is based on coordination of language and physical movement and was developed by James Asher. It develops fluency and is very good for beginners. So this was all important teaching methods which you required to know. So a quick summary for today's classes. In today's class, we have discussed GTM, that is Grammar Translation Method, developed by Karl Plotz, Communicative Language Method, Direct Method, developed by Maximilian Berlitz, Bilingual Method, developed by C.G. Dodson, Audiolingual Method, developed by Charles Fries, Total Physical Response Method, developed by James Asher, and Dr. West new method, developed by Michael Philip West. So thank you for joining today's class. I hope this video is going to be helpful for your English pedagogy exam, which is going to be on 8th of October. And if you haven't liked, shared or subscribed, please like, share and subscribe and share as much as possible.